Welcome to all. This is Surya. I am working as Assistant Professor in Dr. S.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Applications. So in this video, we are going to see about binary input-output file. Now we'll be getting into the video. So first, basic binary file input-output. It create a binary file, writing primitive values to a binary file, writing strings to a binary file, the class input-output functions exception, programming example, processing a file of binary data. So how to create a binary file? Stream class object output stream allows files which can store values of primitive types, strings, other objects. So view program which writes integers. So by using the class binary output demo, having the we will be having the knowledge of what are the binary files are there. Creating binary files. So enter non-negative integers, place a negative number at the end. So 1, 2, 3, -1 numbers and sentinel value written to a file number .dat. So note the line to open the file. Constructor for object output stream cannot take in string parameter. Constructor for file output stream can take. So writing primitive values to a binary file. Method println not available. Instead use writeln method, and binary file stores number in binary form, a sequence of bytes, one immediately after another. So this file is a binary file. You cannot read this file using a text editor. So 1, 2, 3 and then at the end of the space you'll be having the -1 option. So it is a binary file. Next, writing primitive values to a binary file. So public object output stream. So it creates an output stream that is connected to the specified binary file. There is no constructor that takes a file name as an argument. If you want to create a stream by using a file name, you write either new object output stream, new file output stream, or using an object of the class file, new object output stream, new file output stream, otherwise a new file name. So either statement creates a blank file if there already is a file name, named file name, the old contents of the files are lost. The constructor for file output streams can throw a file not found exception. If it does not, the constructor for output stream can throw input output exception. Next, public void write int throws IO's exception, writes a int value n to the output stream. Public void write long, throw IO exception. It writes the long value n to the output stream. So writing primitive values to a binary file. So some methods in class output object output streams. Public void write double. So it writes a double value x to the output stream. Public void write float x throws IO exception. It writes a float value x to the output stream. And then public void write char int c, it throws IO exception, writes a char value to the output stream. Note that the parameter type of c is int. However, Java will automatically convert a character value to an int value for you. So the following is an acceptable invocation of write char. So output stream dot write char. Public void write boolean, it throw x IO exception, writes the boolean values b to the output stream. And public void write UTF, it throws IO exception, writes a string to the output stream. UTF refers to the particular encoding the stream. To read the string back from the file, you should use the read UTF of the class object input stream. Writing primitive values, a binary file. So it is the examples of object output streams. And then writing strings to a binary file. It is used, UTF stands for Unicode text format. It depends on length of string. Contrast to writing which use same for each. Reading from a binary file, object input stream we have to use it. Read from binary file using methods which correspond to write methods. Integer written with the write int will be read with the read int. Be careful to read same type as was written. So reading from a binary file, it creates an input stream that is connected to the specified binary file. There is no constructor that takes a file name as an argument. If you want to create a stream by using a file name, you use either new object input stream and then are using an object of the class file, new object input stream, new file name. So Next, some methods of object input stream. So these are the important object input streams. And then these are some methods of object input streams. Important. And then some methods of class object input stream. These are the important object input streams. So it is an example program. Okay, in this video we have seen about importance of binary input output file. We will be seeing the next video. Thank you.